Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your CVS heating pad is not heating properly, suddenly stopped working, or the controls are acting strangely, a quick reset may help solve the issue. Sometimes the heating pad may turn off unexpectedly, stop responding to button presses, or fail to heat evenly even when plugged in. This can happen because of temporary power interruptions, controller confusion, or built-in safety features activating after extended use. Since a CVS heating pad is designed with protection settings for safe operation, it may occasionally need a reset to start working normally again. The big thing is that resetting the heating pad is usually simple and only takes a few minutes. In this video, I will show you step by step how to reset a CVS heating pad easily. Try this. Step 1. Unplug the CVS heating pad from the power outlet and disconnect the CVS heating pad controller if possible. Step 2. Leave the CVS heating pad unplugged for a few minutes to allow the CVS heating pad system to reset. Step 3. Check the CVS heating pad cable and controller connection to make sure the CVS heating pad is connected securely. Step 4. Plug the CVS heating pad back into the outlet and reconnect the CVS heating pad controller properly. Step 5. Turn on the CVS heating pad and choose a low setting to test the CVS heating pad response. Step 6. Confirm the CVS heating pad is heating normally and the CVS heating pad controls are working correctly.